Gran Ventana Beach, a popular all-inclusive beachfront resort located in the Dominican Republic. It is situated in the tourist destination of Puerto Plata on the northern coast of the island. The resort is situated in Playa Dorada, a gated resort community near Puerto Plata. This location provides guests with access to a beautiful sandy beach and is close to various attractions, including golf courses and shopping centers. The resort operates on an all-inclusive basis, which means that guests pay a single price for their stay and have access to various amenities, dining options, and activities without additional charges. This includes meals, drinks, entertainment, and non-motorized water sports. Gran Ventana Beach Resort offers a range of accommodations, including rooms and suites. These accommodations are designed to cater to the needs of both couples and families. The resort features multiple restaurants and bars, offering a variety of cuisine options, including international, Italian, and seafood. Guests can enjoy a mix of buffet-style and à la carte dining experiences. Gran Ventana Beach Resort provides a range of activities and amenities for guests, including swimming pools, a spa, fitness center, tennis courts, water sports, and organized entertainment programs. The resort boasts direct access to a beautiful beach where guests can relax, swim, and engage in various water activities. While staying at the Gran Ventana Beach Resort, guests can explore nearby attractions such as the historic city of Puerto Plata, visit the Amber Museum, or take a cable car ride to the top of Mount Isabel de Torres for panoramic views. The resort is also a popular venue for weddings and events, with facilities and services to accommodate special occasions. If you're planning to stay at the Gran Ventana Beach Resort, I recommend checking their official website or contacting them directly for the most up-to-date information and availability.